Molitas.
Manbado Bengues.
Sounds and lights, of course, we'd like to say thank you for the Red
Entertainment.
And of course, for our venue, the Eastern College Gymnasium. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, we'd like also to acknowledge yung mga content creators. If you really want to see the videos, pictures being taken a while ago during our event, ayan, we will start with the content creator na nandito, Basta.
We also have Baguio Boy.
We have Ego Stars,
Noved Cupas.
Mona Lisa Sariaga,
Glyza Rubio.
Edmond Faro,
Dreamer Boy.
The Great Man,
Leah Alford.
Dean Sariaga,
Rolly Sabas.
Yuri Higo Bawi,
Samantha Ablaza.
and of course, Ma'am Alice Zumingwa. Thank you so much for everyone for coming. And we'd like to, of course, pass the microphone to the one and only chairman ng Riken International Productions to announce us kung ano ba yung naipon natin ngayong gabi. And of course, before I pass it on, ayan, maraming salamat po. Mauna na ako magpasalamat. Thank you so much everyone for giving us the opportunity. Of course, with Ma'am Charmaine giving us the opportunity to be the host tonight. And of course, for everyone who has sent their donations, supports to us, maraming salamat po, especially those who have given cash and love gifts sa atin. Maraming salamat din, of course, for Manbado Bengues for my beautiful outfit tonight. And please support them. Nandun sila support the one sa second floor sa may dining area ng Bang Inasal.
Ayan, and of course, we'd like to thank first and foremost the organizers. Again, Manap, this is the first time that I'm joining Sir Sherwin. It has been such a pleasure, Sir Sherwin,
Thank you, sir.
to be one of the co-hosts for today. Alam niyo, one of the best things as to why this is one of the best experiences is because tatayo ang aming auditorium. All of us here are here because we came to enjoy and have fun. But most important, we are here because of our culture of Ukubu and Pinada. Pinadaman tayo, pinakaiyan tayo. We gave our assistance, our bayanihan, our help to our brothers and sisters all the way in Sarangani. So palakpakan tayo matipagpagi tayo, mga kapsal na kayo, guys.
Let's clap for ourselves.
Alright, and then of course, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here. Please continue to support the Bayan Pilanta. If you want to go ahead and give more support, hindi lang naman po in cash, pero pwede rin po in kind. You can go ahead and of course, contact our organizers, contact also the page of Romeo Ugong, or pwede rin po tayo pag-organize with our Ugong Natics, of course, our Romeo Ugong families at makakatulong din po sila para sa inyo. You can also contact directly, of course, the LGU of Sarangani para kung gusto nyo i-send po ang tulong nyo sa kanila. One small step, ayan, goes a very long way. So once again, thank you very much. It has been my pleasure to be your Eagle Host for the evening.
Thank you so much.